Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to chat with your Google Drive files using Gemini. In 2026, this integration has become the ultimate tool for summarizing, extracting, and comparing your own data without ever having to open a separate tab. So let's get right into the setup. First, you need to enable the Google Workspace extension to give the AI permission to access your cloud. Head over to gemini.google.com and click on the Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner. Select Extensions from the menu, find the Google Workspace toggle, and make sure it is turned on. It should be blue. This is the master key that allows Gemini to securely read your documents, spreadsheets, and PDFs in real time. Next, you can start querying your files using the @ symbol directly in your chat. This is the fastest way to get specific. If you want a broad look, just type at Google Drive followed by your question, like summarize my notes on Project Alpha. If you are looking for a specific file, just type at and start typing the file name. Gemini will show you a list of matching documents so you can select the exact one you need to analyze. Then, you should explore the advanced ways the AI can handle your data. You can ask Gemini to perform extraction, such as find the total amount of the quote in my invoices folder, or use it for writing by saying draft an email based on the information in this Google Doc. In 2026, one of the most powerful features is comparison. You can ask the AI to compare the conclusions of document A and document B to find discrepancies or common themes across multiple files instantly. Finally, keep in mind a very important note on confidentiality and file types. In 2026, any content from your drive that you use via the extension is not used to train Google's public AI models, so your private business data stays private. Gemini works best with Google Docs, Sheets, and textual PDFs, but it might still have some difficulty with heavily stylized images or password-protected files. If you find the AI is missing a file, just make sure it is saved in a standard Google format and try your search again. And that is it. Your Google Drive is now officially a searchable, interactive database. If this integration guide helped you master your workflow today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2026 tech and productivity tutorials. See you in the next one.